Hey guys, welcome to the channel The Business Mentor, and this is your mentor Pranav Agarwal. And this channel will be all about business, about investments, about personal finance, about stock market analysis, and a lot more. So let's not waste any time further and dive into the video. Today we'll be talking about the top 7 reasons why you should start investing as early as possible. So point number 1, you have more recovery time. So since you are a young investor, you have a lot more years left out in your life, and since that you have that much time, you can bounce back from whatever kind of loss you incur on your investments if you start early. Whereas if you start at a late age, for example at let's say 30, 40, 50, you can see how much less time you have to bounce back from the losses you incur. So that's why my advice is invest now. Point number 2, you save more. So as you are an early investor and you get into the habit of saving, you get into the mindset of saving more. So for example, for the first month you just saved a mere 500 bucks. For the next month you will start to think that you can cut down on your expenses more and save a little bit more. These savings can ultimately be diverted into further investments and help you in the future. So my advice is invest right now. Point number 3, you have a more risk-taking appetite. So being an early investor, even if you halter from your path of investing, you have the time to bounce back. And since you have the time to bounce back, you can even put your investments forward in some high risk instruments. For example, you can invest in stocks. But being an adult investor, when you don't have that much time left in your life and you have a lot of responsibilities, you don't want high risk investments. But there is an old saying, higher the risk, higher the reward. So invest now. Point number 4, time value of money. So as you guys might already know about the 7 wonders of the world, one being the Taj Mahal of India. But let me tell you about the 8th wonder of the world, and that, my friends, is compound interest. Albert Einstein himself called compound interest as the 8th wonder of the world. You might have studied this while you were young in class, but have not understood the value of it up until now. But let me explain you. So for example, if you invest 100 bucks for an year in a fund which serves you compound interest, after an year you get the amount of 110 rupees as a return. For the second year, you get an additional interest on the interest that you've made. So for the next year, your compound interest comes to 11 rupees, and so on and so forth. So you're multiplying money while you're sleeping, and that is what compound interest is. The same would happen when you invest early. The more time you give yourself, the more handsome return you are going to earn later in life. So for example, if you start investing while you're 21 or let's say even 22 and invest up until the age of 60, you've given yourself 40 years for that money to grow, and that is a lot. So my advice is invest now. Point number 5 is you will have a secured future. So there will be unavoidable expenses in your life that comes your way. Even though they haven't come now, they will in the future. And trust me, I have been there and so will you. So my advice is secure your future right now by investing as early as possible. So for example, we all know how catastrophic an event was this pandemic, and people who had invested early in their lives would have easily been able to pass through this phase and come out ahead of it. Let me explain you how. So for example, if I was an employee at an age of 28 who has been laid off from his job right now, investments I made during my early 20s, let's say at 21 or 22, will help me get through this difficult time and search for a better job opportunity. So it secures your future. So my advice is invest right now. So point number 6 is you can become a creditor. Yes, I'm talking about becoming a money lender. So when you have invested your money in the right avenues and in the right instruments, you have created a surplus for yourself. And when you have this surplus, you need not become a borrower of money or a debtor to someone. In fact, you can become a creditor. Yes, I'm talking about lending money to others. I have done this. I have lent out money to my friends at a very nominal interest rate. But since I had the money secured for it in other investments, I was not shy of giving the money to them. And that way, I earned a healthy interest for nothing. So my advice is invest right now. So we've come to the last point of the video, which is point number 7, securing your retirement plan. And let me tell you, if you are like me from the Gen Z generation, or even if you are a millennial, you would agree to the point that people from our generation want to retire early, want to retire healthy, and want to retire financially secure. Well, let me help you with that. So when you start investing early, you're creating yourself a very healthy future. And let me tell you how. That is because when I am in my early 20s and I start investing now and I want to retire at the age of, let's say, 40, when I've done everything in life, achieved whatever I want to, I have such a good amount of money in my hand that I can do it and I can prove it. So, for example, if you start investing at the age of 20 and you are just investing a mere $1,000 every month for 25 years, that means till the age of 45. After at the age of 45, you would have invested 3 lakh rupees, and being the amount compounded annually at an average rate of 12% market rate, you would have in your hand close to 19 lakh rupees. Let's just increase this value of 1000 to just a little bit more to 5000 monthly. You would have invested after 25 years close to 15 lakh rupees and you would get a return of 1 crore. You can see it here. And that's why my advice is to invest right now. So with this, we've come to the end of the video. Let me say one thing. The earlier you start, the bigger you will build your wealth. I know there are a lot more difficulties that will be coming your way to start right now, like you don't have enough money or you don't have the confidence. But let me tell you, even if you start investing a little bit of every day, you will have created a very good amount of money in your future. There will be problems, but the decisions that you take right now will help you take even more bolder decisions in the future. So invest right now, please. Subscribe to the channel, friends. This is your mentor Pranav Agarwal checking out now. Thank you.